Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Tails from Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm so glad I finally got to draw Tails for you because I know you've been waiting since I've drawn Sonic and I've drawn Amy Rose. Well, a couple versions of Sonic actually. And so finally I've added Tails to this collection, and I really hope it inspires you to draw it as well. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw cute Tails, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically a upside down U. So a big curve and then bring it right back down. Then I'm going to come about right here and just draw. I'm just going to connect and make it a bit easier. I'm going to connect it with a curve. So I'm going to just add a little curve right here in the center and then draw another one of these big upside down U's for the other eye. There. So that's the shape you want to go ahead and draw first. Then from there, let's bring this curve right here, continue this right underneath our eye and out. So same thing on this side. So we're just continuing this curve and out. From there, let's come in here and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come close to this edge and draw a big oval. And same thing over here. So now we're going to be closer to this edge. Draw another big oval inside. And closer to the bottom. From there, let's come in here and I'm going to draw a circle right here and right here for highlights, and then I'm going to come inside and draw another oval and shade that part in all black. So everything around here is going to be blue when you color it. So same thing over here. If you have one of those highlight whiteout pens, you don't need to draw the circles. You can just come in here and put in 2 white dots. But if you don't, then just go ahead and draw these circles. Okay, so now I know it looks weird, but once you color it in blue, it'll look great. Okay, so then from there, let's come above the eye on the side right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw 2 small curves. Then right in the center, we're going to draw a little oval for his nose. And then I'll come in here, give it a tiny highlight and shade everything else in. Then let's give Tails a big smile. So right under about here, go ahead and draw a big curve right underneath and cap it off. There. So cute, right? Okay, so then from there, let's come out and let's say about right here. I'll stop and I just kind of want to give myself a point. So say maybe about right here. I'm just going to stop. And same thing over here. I'm going to come out and about right here. This is where I know I'm going to start the face. So I don't go too far with these side fur right here. So on his cheek. So I'm going to come out about right here. And then zigzag about 3 times. And same thing over here. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect with a shallow curve right underneath. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the top of his face. So come back to where you gave yourself a point, and I'm just going to kind of draw a soft curve right here. So it's a little bit wider at the top and it comes down. Let's put in his ear. So about right there. I'm going to go up nice and high. And so I'm still imagining I want his head to come about, say, right here. So I'll bring this down about in this area, right here. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to, now that we know the ears here, let's come back about right here. And I'm going to draw, let's see, about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw these 3 strands of hair that pop out, and 1 more. There. Okay, so then now I can, whatever space I have left, I can just go ahead and fill that in. And then let's draw some details. So let's come about right there. So it's all kind of like at this curve. Thinner on this side. And then come back right in here and we're just going to draw some tufts of fur and then connect. Okay, so hopefully I didn't make that too complicated. So same thing on the other side. We know the ear is going to be about right here. Let's say about right here. Let's draw the other ear. I'm going to go up. I'm going to give myself a point, only because I'm drawing kind of big. So I'll say about right here. And round off the tip and bring it right back down. Then once again, about right here, draw the inside. Thinner on this side and then connect. There. Okay, and so then whatever space I have left in here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve to connect everything for the top of his head. And we have his face in. So cute, right? Okay, so finally let's draw his body. I'm going to make them like maybe the center of the eye. Let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and let's see, let's just draw this curve. Comes out, and then let's go ahead and connect it. Simple body shape. There. Okay, so we have that body in, then let's come back in here. And I'm going to draw some fur, so some zigzag, and then follow my outside for his tummy area. Now that we have the center part done, let's go ahead and draw his legs. So let's come about right here, nice and center. And let's work on this leg first. So I'm going to bring it down and come about right here to thicken it up. And it's going to get wider as we come down. So let's say about that much. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So same thing over here. And connect. Then we're going to draw his really big shoes and socks. So it's coming right here. And I'm going to kind of wobble a little bit. This curve for his socks. And then connect. And come in here and just connect it if you like. And then for his shoes, right here, draw a curve. On this side, come out nice and round, and about right here, we're going to go ahead and round it off and connect. And for some details, come in here for his sole. And then the top part, just add in a curve for some details. So totally simplified, but hopefully that makes sense. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So give it a little wobble. And connect. Make this one a little bit wider. And then once again, just like the other side, his shoes. And the details, just like the other side, come right here and draw bottom part, and then about right here, just curve it over. Now to draw his hands, let's come over here, and I want his big hands to be around this area. So I'm going to come right here, this corner, come down with a curve, come down with a curve to thicken it up, and about right there I'll stop, add a curve, and then once again, just like the socks, we're going to wobble around and connect. And then right here, just add a curve. And then for his hand, so kind of in this area, nice and big, let's come right here and draw a thumb And right here, we're going to connect it with a curve and in. And come in here for some details, 2 curves. So same thing on this side. So come out about right here. And once again, just like the other side, about right here. And connect. And for his gloves, wobble, connect. And just like the other side. Just want to make sure I'm kind of at the same area. Thumb and fingers. And 2 little lines right there. There, we're done, except of course we have 2 tails to draw, right? That's why his name is Tails, I think. So let's come right here, and I'm gonna whip it out about this area. So let's come back to about right here. Draw a curve, imagine it coming through, and come out. And about right here, I'm just gonna give it 1, 2 zigzag, and bring it right back in. So imagining this coming through and then back. And before I forget, I'm going to come in here and draw some zigzags right there and 1 more. So let's pop it in about right here, curve. Imagine it coming through, about right there, coming out. Just like the other side, zigzag and in. And once again, let's draw some zigzags. And that is pretty much it. Oh, except, you know what, I'm taking a look right here, and I think I made this a little too, I should have made it rounder. So I'm going to fix this curve so it's not so angular. Hopefully that helps. It just makes it look too anglish, if that's a word. And then we're going to come in here. Maybe it doesn't matter, I don't know. But hopefully this helps. It just looked like it was too angled up there. So I'm just going to change it and soften it up with a curve. And a little bit better, right? Hopefully. My whiteout pen has decided not to work that well today. I think I'm running out. But just come back in here and soften this part up. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Tails turned out and that it inspires you to draw it too, and that you love it just as much as all the other Sonic the Hedgehog drawings I've drawn so far. So please make sure to check out that playlist if you love Sonic. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.